How to delete blank page in Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you how to delete blank page in Google Docs. So to delete a blank page in Google Docs, place your cursor at the end of the document. So place your cursor at the area where you have that spaces. So scroll down into that specific area of the document and then go ahead and place your cursor there and then click on backspace and then delete all of the spaces that you'll find in here. So in Google Docs, you can actually create a blank page if and only if there is a huge area where a whole page is occupied by a blank space. Another thing you can do is to check for page breaks. So click on view on the top left of your screen and then click on show non-printing characters in here and you'll be able to find the page break marker if there is a page break. So click just before it and press delete to remove it. And lastly, what you can do is to adjust margins and spacing. So go ahead and click on file at the top left of your screen and then click on page setup and then reduce the bottom margin if the blank page is caused by overflow. Also check line spacing under format and line and paragraph spacing. And that is how you can basically delete blank page in Google Docs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.